Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can just automatically record anyone unknown number phone calls in OnePlus phone. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video and press the bell icon for more videos. So let's start. First you have to just go to the phone app, then press three dots in it, and there is a setting option. Just click on it. Here you can just see there is a option call recording, and here it is a automatic record unknown call. Here you have to just on it, like always record, and you can just off it like simply. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thank you.